Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today Tonbridge Angels are home to Corinthian-Casuals in the Bostik League Premier Division. What are your thoughts on today?
Yeah, nice blustery day again for football, so that will make it a little bit interesting. It's getting important now. Where are we now? 7-8 games to go, and we're in the running, definitely in the running. So we've just got to keep it up. Scored last week, got the win. 1-0 win's fine. We're not conceding any goals, so we're in a good place at the moment. So let's hope today goes well.
Yeah, obviously it's been a good season so far. We're still 4th and Corinthian-Casuals are in 18th, but they're kind of safe because they're 5 clear of the relegation zone. And Corinthian-Casuals obviously last season were promoted from the Bostik South, although they originally lost the playoff final to Corinthian-Casuals. Obviously most of you guys should know about that because I was there. But they got instantly promoted because Thurrock folded. And for a score prediction, I'm probably going to go for 1-0 Tonbridge. We did lose 2-1 to them at King George's Field, but what do you think?
I was going to say 1-0 Tonbridge as well, and I'll be delighted with 1-0 Tonbridge today.
See you in the ground.
Go on! Give it now, give it now.
Go on, Jared! Oh, go on! Go on!
Go on!
Oh, get there! Go on! Yay! Own goal by the number 11. Yeah, honestly, Corinthian-Casuals have got the lucky goal after the lucky end tried to tackle it.
Goal to the Angel.
Go on!
Go on!
Oh, Jared!
Go on!
Go on, Joe!
Go on!
Oh!
Oh, go on!
Yeah, go on. Oh! Oh, offside! Jared, go on!
Go on, Jared! Take him on! Go on!
Oh! No! Go on! Oh!
Go on, Jared!
Go on, Jared!
You got it, Jared.
Go on!
Saw that. Oh, he didn't mean.
Hey!
Go on, off.
Go on! Oh! Get there, Henley.
Go on, Johnny.
Half time, it's going to Tonbridge Angels 1, Corinthian-Casuals 0. What do you think?
We've been playing some really nice stuff actually. It's been very good. Yeah, the goal was an own goal. It wasn't Chin's goal, so that was a touch of fortune. And then he scored, and I don't know why it was disallowed. So I'll have to look at the video on that afterwards. I couldn't quite work it out because the result was a free kick cross outside the area. So then it needs an advantage, then, doesn't it? And I didn't think the whistle was blown. But anyway, I was a bit confused by that one. But anyway, so just a 1-goal advantage. We're doing really well. Corinthian-Casuals look pretty poor. So long may that continue in the second half.
Yeah, I thought it's been quite well. We've been slightly the better team. Obviously, we got the lucky goal through the own goal as the number 11 tried to tackle him, but it somehow went in. And obviously, Chin's had a goal disallowed for offside. And yeah, but I think it's been we've been quite better than them. I can't really see Corinthian-Casuals getting back into this, but now they're probably going to smash us now. I've said that, but yeah, hopefully we're in the second half. I really enjoy.
Go on, Hero. Go.
Oh.
Go. Well,
Go on, Joe. Go on. Oh. Nah.
Well, he was on the A26, I think, when he came down to Brighton. Well, yeah, he was wet.
Tom. Go on. Go on, Adam. Come on! Yeah! Go on! Yeah! Come on!
Angels. So get back down here on Tuesday night. Then select up to the final.
Tonbridge 2, Corinthian-Casuals 0, 3 seconds. Well, Angels! Okay, we're now going back. What did you think?
Yeah, brilliant 3 points on a day when of this morning's top 5 nobody else won, so that's terrific. 4-point cushion now inside the playoffs, yeah, it was an own goal and a soft penalty, but we'll take that. First half we were by far the better team, second half they were, and that's largely due to the wind blowing towards the goal at that end of the ground. So yeah, really happy tonight. It's all worked very well today.
Yeah, I thought obviously all lost first half. Second half it was all Corinthian-Casuals, but they never really had the finishing touch. They didn't really look like scoring. They were just passing it around all the time. We struggled to really shoot today. I think we only had 2 shots on target, on obviously, well, 3 if you count the penalty, and then obviously there was the own goal. I do think it was a penalty though. Well, if you count, obviously the PSG Man U game is definitely a penalty. On a couple of years ago that probably wouldn't have been given, and it was in the box, you very rarely see them given. But yeah, good win. We're now third as Merstham lost, and helps us also that Haringey lost and Dorking also lost, but it's 14 points to catch Dorking, so they've still won it anyway. They've already won it. Just try and get second now. But yeah, very good win. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.